You ready?
Here we go, watch her. Watch her.
See, this is not good. You gotta sit here and do nothing but watch TV all day, and now you got the damn kid doing it.
She likes the song. Anytime that song comes on, she has to look up.
Do it again.
Alexis! Look at Mommy! You're Mama's girl.
She's not Mama. Here's Grandma's girl. I forget, go ahead. That one's her. She's looking at me. Well, here, Dad.
Alexis, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's that? What are you doing? Yay! Okay, that's it. That's the last time. That's it. No more. That's it. That's it.